All right, this is Drew with Classic Auto Insurance. We're here at the 2019 Indy World of Wheels. Back here again with Steve Moore from the Car Vault, and we've got a gorgeous 76 BMW 2002 behind us, and really a phenomenal story to this car too. So kind of give us a backstory, but I have to say the color on this, and I'm not usually a green person, it's phenomenal.
Yeah, it is different. Generates a lot of comments. So the owner of this car, I actually had another vehicle we'd built at a car show a few years ago, and he was a judge there. Okay. And so we got talking, we met obviously, and then a few months later he called me and said he wanted to build a BMW 2002. So the conversation went on for a while and different ideas, and the backstory is he had owned about 6 of these cars, every car having different features, some that he liked and some he didn't like, but he wanted to incorporate everything he liked into the one car. So we searched around for this chassis. It took about 12 months to find a really good rust-free donor car. In the meantime, we sat down and talked about all his ideas, and once we found the car, we had it acid dipped, a very good rust-free body we started with. And he had a lot of ideas that he wanted to incorporate in the build, but as we got started, it was one thing led to another, and the car went from I would say a pretty mild sort of resto mod to what it is now is quite a pretty wild BMW resto mod. It's been fun, it's been challenging, but it certainly has turned out to be quite a nice car.
Yeah. And what kind of motor did you guys put in it, and maybe any other unique features you think are just phenomenal for this car?
It is actually the original 1600 engine. It is dynoed at 190 horsepower, so it's pretty heavily worked. We went round and round with different power plant options, but he elected to keep the original motor in it. The car has a lot of sheet metal changes. All the trim has been deleted. The exhaust exits out the quarter panel in the rear now. It has a 5-speed transmission, coilover suspension, a lot of custom touches. There'll be no ignition key on the car. It's all going to be a touchpad, push button screen in the dash. So a lot of neat, sort of unique features.
Yeah, definitely stuff you don't see in a BMW 2002, that's for sure. Well, it's gorgeous, and we appreciate your time and look forward to seeing more of what you guys are doing. Thanks, Steve.
Thank you.
Take care.
Classic Auto. Agreed value, mileage rollover, and tiered mileage plans. Classic Auto, insuring your vehicle, insuring your passion. Call or click Classic Auto today.